Can you please share a FAceless channel that requires less effort and I can make videos in my spare time like kids animation? So, I received an interesting comment, and today, I'm sharing a unique niche that's gaining millions of views daily. Animated cartoon videos for kids. A perfect example is the channel Moonbug Kids, Animals for Kids. This channel, dedicated to creating engaging and educational content for children, has achieved incredible success. With 3.25 million subscribers, 1,393 videos, and over 1.4 billion total views since its launch in April 2020, this United Kingdom-based channel has become a powerhouse in the kids' content space. The revenue figures are equally impressive, with estimated monthly earnings ranging from $10,000 to $163,000 and yearly earnings between $122,000 to $2 million. The good news is that you can start a channel like this with the help of AI. From creating videos and songs to editing and managing content, AI tools can handle it all. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of starting your own animated cartoon channel for kids. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to Bee's Brain for more incredible FAceless channel ideas and tips. Here is the video we did created with the help of AI tools.
Shapes in the jungle, come and see. Circles, triangles, and squares with me. Hidden in the leaves in the morning dew. There's a world of shapes.
We'll divide our video creation process into 4 key parts: video prompts, video clips, song, video editing. So, let's get started. Part 1: Video prompts. First, open ChatGPT and type, "Can you please give me 10 animated song video ideas for kids?" In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will provide 10 creative ideas for your song video. Look through all the ideas and select the one you like the most. For this example, I chose Shapes in the Jungle and copied it. Now, ask ChatGPT to write a script and lyrics for Shapes in the Jungle. Within moments, ChatGPT will generate the script and lyrics for your video. Next, we'll move to the prompts for each scene. Ask ChatGPT, write the video prompts for each scene, ensuring to include the full setting in each prompt. ChatGPT will now provide detailed prompts for every scene of the video. At this point, we have all our video prompts fully ready to move on to the next stage. Part 2: Video generation. Currently, there are multiple AI tools available to generate videos from text, and for this tutorial, we will be using Hailu AI. Start by opening Hailu AI using the provided link. Once on the interface, you can log in using your Google account. Upon logging in, you'll receive 100 free credits to get started. The interface includes various options like gallery, subscription, and others. To begin generating videos, click on Try It and then select the text to video option. Here, you'll find a text box where you can input your prompts. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompts for each scene that were prepared earlier, and paste them into the text box in Hailu AI. Click on Generate to start the video creation process. Since we are using the free version of Hailu AI, the video generation may take some time. While one video is processing, you can input the next prompt and click Generate to keep the workflow moving. Continue this process for all your prompts until all the clips are in progress. Some videos may finish processing faster than others, so keep an eye on the progress. Once a video is ready, click the download button to save it to your device. Repeat the same steps for the remaining clips. By the end of this process, you'll have all the video clips fully ready and usable for your YouTube project. Now that the videos are complete, let's move on to the next part. Part 3: Creating song. Let's dive into the exciting process of turning our lyrics into a complete song using Suno AI's music generation platform. To begin, you'll need to visit Suno AI through the link provided in the description. When you arrive at the site, look for the sign-in button and connect your Google account. As a new user, you'll be welcomed with 50 free credits to start your music creation journey. Once you're logged in, you'll see Suno AI's clean, intuitive interface. The home page serves as your personal dashboard, while the Create section is where you'll spend most of your time generating music. You'll also notice other useful sections like the library for accessing your save projects, an explore section for discovering music created by other users, and a search function to find specific projects or styles. To begin creating your song, head to the Create section by clicking the Create button. Now, we'll need those lyrics we generated earlier with ChatGPT. Copy your lyrics and paste them into Suno AI's lyrics field. Keep in mind that there's a 200-character limit for each generation, so you might need to break longer lyrics into sections if necessary. With your lyrics in place, click the Generate button to start the AI composition process. Since we're using the free version, the generation might take a few minutes, so feel free to sit back and let the AI work its magic. Suno AI will create 2 unique versions of your song, giving you options to choose from. Take your time to listen to both versions and decide which arrangement best captures the vision for your song. Once you've chosen your preferred version, downloading your creation is straightforward. Simply click the download icon next to your chosen version, select Audio from the download options, and your AI-generated song will be saved directly to your device. And just like that, you've successfully created an AI-generated song that brings your lyrics to life. Now that we've completed the music creation phase, our third step is complete. Let's move forward to our final step in the process. Part 4. Video editing with CapCut. In this final step, we'll explore video editing using CapCut. Upon opening CapCut, you'll see the media layer where you can add your media files, an import section to import media from your gallery, and a toolbar with various tools such as audio, text, stickers, effects, transitions, captions, filters, and adjustments. To start editing, click Import and select all your media files at once. Then, drag your clips from the media layer to the timeline, arranging them in the desired pattern. Next, add your audio file to the timeline and adjust its position as needed. You can also trim your audio clip by clicking and trimming it. To enhance your video, click Effects and add them one by one to your clips. Additionally, you can apply filters to your entire video by clicking, Filter, and dragging them to the timeline. Once you've completed editing your video, click Export to finalize it. With these simple steps, you've successfully edited your video using CapCut.
Shapes in the jungle, come and see. Circles, triangles, and squares with me. Hidden in the leaves in the morning dew, there's a world of shape.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.